October 12th, 2025, Utica, Michigan. Officers respond to a residence after roommates report a woman inside the home refusing to leave.
I can leave my parents' house.
Okay, is this...
And she is... This is my parents.
Okay, but do you live here?
No, but I have to be here because I cannot currently be in my home.
Why can't you be here?
Because my electricity is currently shut off and waiting for the light heap to be opened again.
Okay, where are your parents at?
They are at Burgoo Festival.
At what is it?
Burgoo in Utica? How do you live around here and not know about that? It's like the biggest festival that goes on in the fall.
Oh, I don't live around here, so...
It makes no sense that you'd be a police officer around here then.
Okay.
But okay.
So, your parents aren't here, so you're refusing to leave a place that you don't live at.
It's my parents' home.
It doesn't matter, you don't live here, so you're refusing to leave a place that you live here.
I live here when I can be.
That's not how it works.
It is.
No, that's not how it works.
Yeah, well, they have no lease. They're not on this lease.
Okay.
I have
Do
every
they
right
live here?
to be here. I have every right to be here. I'll call my parents right now.
Do they live here?
They shouldn't.
Okay, that's not the answer to the
It
question.
doesn't matter.
Do they live here?
They don't have any legal paperwork stating that they can decide who's allowed
I
here.
gotta talk to you.
Okay, and I agree with you on that one because they don't own the property.
Cool.
But
Cool.
if they live here and you don't live here...
I'm not
and you're-
leaving. No.
Well-
My parents live here. They have the lease.
Hold on.
They have the lease in their name.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't, because I lost my wallet because my dad was in the hospital, flown to Rockford a week ago, and I left my wallet up on top of my car and took off.
Okay. What's your first name?
These roommates that you have downstairs have called the cops on me because I called her a because she is a... Your roommates downstairs called the cops on me. Yes, no, his girlfriend. What the do you mean? It's your house.
10-4.
Okay, me and your granddaughter will go back to my house where there's no electricity. Choose your deadbeat roommates over your own grandchild. Go ahead. See how often you get to see her.
Told you have to leave?
Oh, we're leaving. Bye.
Okay. What's your name?
None of your business.
No, that's not how this works.
That is exactly how this works.
Yes. No, it's not.
Oh,
I do this for a living. You don't. What is your
I'm
name?
leaving the premises.
Okay.
My name is Ellie. See you later.
Okay, that's not how this works.
That is exactly how this works.
Okay.
My
What
name's
is your
Ellie.
name?
See you later.
No,
Hey,
that's
police,
not how
police,
this
It's
works.
my last name. See you later.
No, it's not.
Hey, police.
Your name.
Don't worry about it.
That's not how this works. You don't
this
tell
is
me how this
working.
works. No.
That's exactly how this is
No,
working.
it's not.
That's exactly how this is working.
No, this is not how this works.
That's how this is working.
Okay. Are you looking to get yourself arrested? Because
what?
you have to ID yourself. That's how this works.
I don't have an ID. Sorry.
Okay. What is your name?
Please excuse me. Do not block my way.
Okay.
That is kidnapping.
No, it's not. What is your
blocking doors?
What
Yes,
is your
it
name?
is.
What?
Trust me, I know. I just got threatened with that charge 3 weeks ago.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Ellie.
Okay. If you don't give me your name, you're going to be placed under arrest.
You have a whole lot of nerve to call
Okay.
somebody fat when you're the same size
Okay.
as me, you dirty.
Done. What?
Go around and find out. Go
Done.
around and
Put
find
your
out
stuff
who
in
is
your car now.
beat who's.
Put your stuff.
You
in
want
your
to
car.
find out? You want
Put
to
your
actually
stuff in your
find
car.
out one of these days?
Put your stuff
You
in
want
your
to
car.
actually find out?
Okay.
You will find out.
Go that
Do
way.
not get your hands off
Do
of me.
not.
Get your hands off.
Hey,
Get your. Get away from me. You are blocking my
Hey,
truck.
listen.
Keep your hands off of me.
We're done with this.
Keep
Hey.
your hands off of
you
me.
do
You are
not
blocking
cooperate-
my truck.
If you don't cooperate,
You
you're
are
going to be
blocking my
arrested.
truck. You are blocking my truck.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for obstructing. Put your hands behind your back.
Absolutely not.
What do you got it?
Now you just call it a felony charge. step back or be arrested.
Pushing me off of my car. Get the off of me.
If you do not stop, you're going to go to jail.
Dude, you're the same piece of who wrote me that ticket yesterday.
Nope, that was they're not me.
You.
All right. You need to stand up.
You.
Stand up.
You.
All right.
Ah!
Stand up.
How the f am I supposed to stand up while you are yanking me? You pushing me off of my car, pushing me. You are literally using unnecessary force on a mentally ill 28-year-old woman. What the f is wrong with you?
Oh, are you kidding me?
Now you just got yourself a felony charge. Good job.
Using unnecessary force on a mentally ill 28-year-old woman. Ow!
She got the gun there.
Using unnecessary force. Breaking all my shit.
Out of a 61 log, me just getting spit in the face.
I don't even know her name, she's rejecting, so.
Same one that Wes had stopped. Huh?
Can we request sass
For?
for her?
Well, I just got spit in the face, so we're going to handle that first.
Oh, she's
After we search it.
I'm Christine.
Well, she just got a felony because she just spit in my face. Out of a 61.
Do you want your mom to take your stuff?
Would you like me to get the stuff? Or do you want
Send me a
the-
medic there for an eval.
You broke that dirty. No. Beth, no. I hate you. You can hate me. I hate you. You made your bed. I
Want you to have it.
Beth, give me your stuff. What are you? She needs mental.
We're getting a medic coming. We're getting a medic coming here.
She needs mental health.
We're getting an ambulance here to have her go out and be evaluated. Can you go out to the hospital with us?
Yeah, she needs help. She needs help. She needs help. She definitely needs help. Okay? She needs help. Yes, she needs help. Absolutely needs help. She needs help. And I'm sorry that she did that. My medical records will state it. Can I request her to be admitted?
Well, that's why I'm going to have you go to the hospital, because that's where we're going to go. We're going to have the ambulance come here first.
Okay.
And then, because she's an adult, I need a parent, another adult to talk,
say
find
that
out.
she's-
But, I mean, she's going to have to, she's obviously, we're going to get her out there, but I want to have her medically clear whether she goes with us or by ambulance. So,
That's fine. And I'm sorry. I really am. She's out of control.
Suicide watch on her?
No, they're going to go to the hospital. She is. I'm going to have, I've requested.
Where's my granddaughter at?
Did you look in the house?
Where's my granddaughter at?
she was at the neighbor's house.
In the neighbor's
Yeah,
house.
she tried to come after us to save her mom, so. Huh?
You better not break that window.
We're not going to be able to transport her. Listen,
Give me my daughter.
daughter is going with your mom.
Give me my daughter. She doesn't need to be with
Listen to
her.
me. Your daughter, you're under felony arrest right now, so you're not being released. So your daughter,
You.
okay? You spit in my face. You're now.
Because you are using unnecessary
Listen,
force
you're
on a 28-year-old woman
under arrest
who
right
is physically disabled. I am physically disabled. I am mentally unwell.
Right.
You
Quit
use
banging on our stuff on the
unnecessary
squad and
force
catch
on
an
me.
additional charge.
Under Michigan law, lawful occupants can remove someone who does not live there. Once officers confirm she is not a resident and has been asked to leave, the situation becomes a potential criminal trespass investigation. Officers initially attempt voluntary compliance rather than making an immediate arrest. The woman argues that because her parents are on the lease, she has the right to stay. Legally, that argument fails. Even if her parents hold the lease, the occupants present still maintain lawful possession of the residence. Officers, therefore, have authority to order her to leave. Instead of complying, she attempts to walk away without identifying herself. During a lawful investigation, Michigan law allows officers to demand basic identifying information. Refusing to provide it during a trespass investigation can constitute obstruction. Officers repeatedly ask for her name, and she refuses while accusing them of kidnapping and escalating the encounter. At that point, officers establish probable cause for obstruction and attempt to detain her. She physically resists during the detention, which satisfies the elements of resisting and obstructing a police officer under Michigan law. During the struggle, she spits in an officer's face, which qualifies as assault because bodily fluids constitute offensive physical contact. Once a suspect actively resists and assaults officers, police are legally authorized to use reasonable force to gain control and complete the arrest. She is eventually handcuffed, and officers request a medical evaluation due to signs of a mental health crisis. Prosecutors ultimately pursue charges including resisting and obstructing a police officer and assault on a police officer, with potential criminal trespass stemming from her refusal to leave the residence. This case illustrates how quickly a minor property dispute can escalate into serious criminal charges once lawful orders are ignored and physical resistance begins. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.